Welcome back to our Azure networking series. In this episode, we're diving into a key networking feature, Virtual Network Peering. This feature allows you to seamlessly connect Azure virtual networks across regions or subscriptions, enabling direct communication between resources in different Vnets as if they were on the same network. Join us as we explore the intricacies of implementing virtual network peering, understanding its benefits, considerations, and step-by-step deployment. To illustrate this Azure aspect, we created two virtual networks, each containing a virtual machine. Since we'll be peering these networks subsequently, it's crucial that their IP address ranges do not overlap. To prevent that, we set the first virtual network's address space to 10.0.0/16 and the second virtual network's address space to 10.1.0.0/16. First, let's verify the connectivity of the VMs through the public network. We'll access the VM Vnet1 and attempt to ping the public IP of the VM Vnet2. As you can see, the ping is successful. Now we'll try pinging the private IP address this time, but as expected, the ping fails since the two virtual networks are separate and isolated from each other. At this stage, we can utilize Azure's virtual network peering service to establish connectivity between the two virtual networks. Let's pair Vnet1 and Vnet2 and observe the impact on the connectivity. To create the peering, we navigate to one of the virtual networks in the Azure portal. On the left-hand menu, click on Peerings and then Add. Name this peering connection. Azure offers several optional settings such as allowing forwarded traffic or gateway traffic. For our basic setup, we can leave these options unchecked. We need to configure the peering in the opposite direction simultaneously. We name it Peer 2, for example, and select the Vnet2. Finally, click Add to create both peering connections. After creating the peering connections, let's verify the private connectivity once again. We ping the private IP address of the VM Vnet2, and as you can see, the ping is now successful. Utilizing Azure's virtual network peering service can significantly enhance the security of your environment's traffic flows. By enabling direct communication between peered virtual networks, you can avoid routine traffic over the public internet, which is inherently less secure and could potentially be disrupted. That would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Goodbye.